to making a video today. Welcome back to another video. Today we're in Jeremy's new SRT4. Jeremy, how do we feel about this new SRT4?
It sucks.
We're gonna do some nasty pulls, right, Jeremy?
Yes.
Alright guys, we're about to do a tug in the old Neon. That first gear pop.
Wait, give an explanation on why you're halfway done and there's no recordation of it.
I don't like to vlog, okay? I'm peer pressured into making YouTube videos at gunpoint by Will Hutchison, okay? Yeah, I'm really lazy and I don't like to record myself. Subframe is back in, differential's back in, drive shaft's hooked up. We're not torquing the drive shaft because we don't need to. It's literally the least important part of the drive line. Like, if your drive shaft comes disconnected, you're fine. Anyways, we're gonna start with this here Sally trailing arm.
Anyways. Oh, let me just. Oh, that's not what I meant. Come on, there we go. Here you go, sweetie.
No, I need a whole jack.
Oh, that's awkward.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
After a fun trip to O'Reilly's, we're back.
Oh, one side's done.
Okay. You see that? And then you see that? You see that? It's back together.
Yes.
After that exciting adventure. It's very fucking cold now. It was so nice before.
Yeah, I know, it's ass.
No, not the brakey. Yep, she's out. Would you like to do the honors? Yeah! A lot of positive camera on this side. Don't limiter it, it's still cold.
Yeah, I know, I'm not going to. Oh yeah, dude, that
feels so good.
Much better. I'm curious to see what it gets like on pavement.
Yeah.
That's when it got really sketchy.
Yeah. We'll see in a sec here. What's that noise? Okay.
See if you can hear it.
Yep. No, I don't even hear it. Do you?
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't hear it at all out here. So it's something.
Now I don't hear it.
I didn't hear it at all outside. It's so weird.
I mean, you can feel that the toe is off. I feel like once it's aligned, though, the problem's fixed.
Yeah. It feels like a lot more planted though. You think it feels better?
You decide. There's some.
Yeah, it's on.
Just gonna try it. Easy slide.
Felt good. That's a weird noise. Did you?
Nice U-turn.
Yeah.
That's what that you hear is the tires are so far towed in.
Oh.
The tires are chirping.
Yeah, you must not have tightened them.
The car is literally like driving into itself. So it's starting to get dark now. I just realized I never made an outro for this video. It's been like a month since I've posted anything. I took the first clips of the neon weeks ago and then forgot to edit them and just haven't made a video since. But I never really touched on what was wrong with the E36. So where the rear end feels like it's driving itself. The toe is almost feeling like it's actually changing while I'm driving. So I'll be driving straight down the road and the car will just kind of drive itself right, like really hard. So it's kind of sketchy to drive over like 30 miles an hour, and I need to get that fixed so I can drive this year. I tried the subframe bushings. I went solid bushings. That didn't seem to fix it. I did some more reading, found out that trailing arm bushings could also be a contender to that problem. So I ordered those up. They were supposed to get here today, and they didn't. So when those come in, me and Will are supposed to put these in Wednesday. Hopefully I can make another video on that and get the E36 back up and running so we can get back to making some videos with that. It's been a while, I just haven't had anything to video. Hopefully we can get somewhere with that project this year. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Hopefully parts get here soon, we can get the E36 finished up. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.